Waiting forever for your clothes to dry? That's not normal. We're Dryer Vent Wizard, and here's a quick tip. If your dryer's suddenly taking longer than usual, it might not be your dryer. It could be your vent. Use the timed dry setting. Most loads should dry in 45 to 60 minutes. If it's taking longer or clothes are still damp, it's time for a vent check. Clogged vents can waste energy, wear down your dryer, and even cause fires. A simple inspection now can help prevent costly repairs, or worse, down the road. Keep your home safe and your laundry running smoothly. Call today